Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Today on this week's video I am doing a Rosy kind of glam makeup tutorial. I tried this look on my friend and I thought it looked pretty bomb, so I'm going to try it on me. Hopefully it comes out good. Let's get into the video.
It's so crazy, amazing, and you know it, you know I'm feeling it. Ooh, and you like it, cause you know I'm yours. You know exactly.
Okay, for brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I'm going to do my brows off camera because that's probably going to take a while. I'm going to start with the eyes. We're going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm going to put this on my eyelid for like the background color. Okay, I'm using these two colors after I put the concealer on and blend it in. For the crease, I think I'm going to mix these pinky shades up here. So I'm dipping into this and this. I might go into that, but I'll see. I'm taking this e.l.f. brush and I'm putting this darker color in my crease. I think I'm going to bring this color, which is called Sissy, down a little. I'm going to mix these two colors and I'm going to try and go in my outer V. Now I'm going to blend that out. I'm using windshield wiper motions and circular. I kind of want it darker, so I'm going in with the shade Jax, and again it's on the outer V. Now I'm going to cut the crease with the CoverGirl concealer. And now I'm going in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. We're kind of losing the color, so I'm using what's still on the brush. I think I'm going to add some pigment to this. Okay, this is the finished eye after I added some glitter and blended out everything. I'm going to highlight the inner corners now with my Love Light Too Faced highlighter. Alright, now for the base, I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm mixing the color Natural Ivory and Warm Nude. Okay, now that I'm looking like a cake face, we're going to be even more of a cake face and add powder. I forgot concealer. Bronzer time. I'm just gonna contour, bronze, and bake. I put blush on. I put the Hoola Benefit bronzer on. Now I'm gonna rub the bake off and then put on highlighter. Well, this song reminds me of Riverdale. I'm using the Becca and Jaclyn Hill collaboration highlighter along with the Too Faced Blinded by the Light Sephora highlighter. I forgot to take off my nose contour. We love a good glow on this channel. Now we gotta put on the lashes and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm kind of in a rush right now. So I used the Bare Minerals lipstick in the shade Juju. I used Urban Decay and Liquid Vice in the shade Back Talk. And then now I'm just putting this color blush on the lips for some pigment. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I like it. I think I did pretty good, but we've had a lot of mistakes. Like, I glued the lash on the wrong way. As soon as I'm done filming this video, I'm taking these lashes off because we had a major fail today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is basically what I wanted it to turn out, so I'm pretty proud of myself. But I'm in a rush, so I gotta go. Don't forget to hashtag slay and stay cool. Bye, beautifuls.